Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Alima Sheikh. Standard 3rd, Subject English. Chapter number 13. Let's wait. So student, today I am going to explain you chapter number 13. Let's wait. Student, the pic which is flashed on your mobile phone is the page number 29 of your English Balbharti textbook. So students, chapter number 13, let's wait. इंतज़ार करो. Let's wait means इंतज़ार करो. Now student, in blue color, some word it is written. The word is a monologue. Now student, what is the meaning of a monologue? A monologue means a long, a tedious speech by one person. A monologue means one person who is giving speech. Students, one more word is there, na? Dialogue. It is not written in this page. Just I am giving one example. Students, you had heard this word, dialogue. So, what is the difference between dialogue and a monologue? Dialogue means two persons talking to each other. It's called conversation. And monologue means one person who is giving a speech. डायलॉग का मतलब है दो व्यक्ति एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं, हम उसे कहते हैं डायलॉग्स. अ मोनोलॉग का मतलब है जहां पर एक व्यक्ति हमसे कुछ कह रहा है और हम सब उसकी बातें सुन रहे हैं, उसे कहते हैं मोनोलॉग. So students, in this story, one small girl is there. That girl talks to himself. So students, let's see what she is saying. जैसे कि इस कहानी में एक स्मॉल लड़की है, छोटी सी लड़की, जो खुद से ही बात कर रही है इस कहानी में. So students, let's see what that small girl is saying to us. Now students, come to the very first paragraph. When things go against their wishes, little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. It's only when they wait and think properly that they understand it. Let's hear what this girl has to say. Now student, I had completed the first paragraph. Now what the first paragraph means? When things go against their wishes means small children's wishes are, example, I want this thing, I want that thing, etc. They keep on asking, I want this thing, I want that thing. Like that they keep on asking. Little children sometimes feel very sad and lonely. Means things are not done by their side or by their wishes. That time they feel very upset, sad, unhappy we can call. Right? And lonely. Lonely means अकेलापन. जब छोटे बच्चों की ख्वाहिश पूरी नहीं होती है, जैसे आप जानते हो छोटे बच्चों को ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए, वहाँ जाना है, राइट? ऐसे उनकी विशेस वो लोग का कंटिन्यू चालू ही रहता है, वो लोग का स्टॉप नहीं होता है. तो जब विशेस उनकी पूरी नहीं होती है तो वो अपसेट हो जाते हैं, राइट? और लोनली फील करते हैं. लोनली मीन्स अकेलापन महसूस करते हैं. They don't realize how much the people around them love them. Means the small children doesn't realize how the people love them. जैसे कि वो छोटे बच्चे रियलाइज ही नहीं कर पाते, महसूस ही नहीं कर पाते कि उनके आसपास जो भी है, उनके पेरेंट्स है, रिलेटिव्स है, वो उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं, बट वो लोग रियलाइज ही नहीं कर पाते. क्यों? क्योंकि विशेष उनकी पूरी नहीं होती है. इसीलिए इट्स ओनली व्हेन दे वेट एंड थिंक प्रॉपरली दैट दे अंडरस्टैंड इट. अगर वो थोड़ी देर रुकेंगे और उस चीज को समझेंगे तो उन्हें पता चल जाएगा कि उनके आसपास जो भी है वो उनसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. मीन्स आफ्टर सम टाइम दे अंडरस्टूड, यस द पीपल अराउंड देम दे लव देम व्हेन दे वेट एंड थिंक प्रॉपरली. जब वो रुककर अच्छे से सोचेंगे तो उन्हें एहसास होगा, पता चलेगा कि जो उनके आसपास है वो उनसे प्यार करते हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स हियर व्हाट द गर्ल हैज टू से. So students, let's start with the story about a small girl. What she is thinking. Come to the very first line of second paragraph. This is the worst day of my life. I am feeling very sad. You may not believe it, but I am the saddest person on this earth. Now here the small girl is saying that this is the worst day of my life. Means this day is not good. This is the worst day. Like that the girl is saying. And she is feeling very sad. She is feeling very unhappy, you can say. You may not believe it. Here the sentence, you may not believe it, means the small girl is saying to us that you may not believe it, that yes, today is my worst day and I am feeling very sad. Like that the girl is saying to us. But I am the saddest person on this earth. Means the girl is saying that myself, I am the saddest person in this whole earth, in this whole world. Myself, I am only the saddest person. Like that the girl is saying to us. जैसे कि ये छोटी सी लड़की हमसे कह रही है कि आज का दिन मेरा बहुत ही खराब है, मेरी ज़िंदगी का आज का दिन बहुत ही खराब है और मैं बहुत ही उदास हूँ. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी सैड. मैं बहुत ही उदास हूँ. यू मे नॉट बिलीव इट. आप सोच भी नहीं सकते कि आज का दिन मेरा बहुत खराब है और मैं बहुत उदास हूँ. बट आई एम द सैडेस्ट पर्सन ऑन दिस अर्थ. मीन्स इस पूरी दुनिया में सबसे दुखी और सबसे ज़्यादा अपसेट इंसान वो मैं ही हूँ. लाइक दैट द स्मॉल गर्ल इज सेइंग टू अस. So students, everyone understood the first paragraph. Now move to the next paragraph. The reason is that nobody loves me. I have a family. Mommy, daddy, granny and a younger sister. I have been sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Okay, for at least 8 hours. All right. At least an hour. At least 10 whole minutes. And no one has noticed. So students, let's see what this paragraph tells us. The small girl is saying that I have the reason that nobody loves me. Nobody loves me. I have the reason. And that reason I am going to tell you. Like that the small girl is saying to us. Now what she is saying that I have a family. And in my family there are mommy, daddy, granny and a younger sister. Students, mommy, daddy. Granny means grandma. And younger sister means a small sister. right? A baby, we can call as a small baby. I have been sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Students, as you can see, one sofa is there and the girl is sitting, the little girl. And by looking that little girl, you can observe that she is sad, right? So, she is saying that I am sitting here behind this sofa for the whole day. Means full day I am sitting over here only, behind this sofa. Okay, for at least 8 hours. Now what she is saying? No, not for the full day. I am sitting for at least 8 hours. Means from last 8 hours I am sitting over here. Then after some time she is saying that all right. At least an hour. Means first she has said that I had sitting here for the whole day. Means full day I am sitting over here. Then after some time what she has said, no, not for the full day, at least 8 hours, right? Then after some time she is saying that not 8 hours, from last 1 hour. 1 hour I am sitting over here. Then after some time again she is saying that at least 10 whole minutes. And no one has noticed. Means in the last she is saying that not for the whole day I am sitting over here, not for the 8 hours and not at least 1 hour. I am sitting behind this sofa at least 10 whole minutes. And that 10 minutes no one has noticed me. Means no one has worried about me. Okay, where she has gone. Like that the small girl is saying to us. जैसे कि वो छोटी लड़की कह रही है कि मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता है, मेरे पास रीज़न है. जैसे कि मेरे पास रीज़न है कि मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं कर रहा है. और वो कहती है कि मेरा एक परिवार है और उस परिवार में मेरी मम्मी है, डैडी है, दादी है और एक छोटी सी बहन भी है. फिर वो कहती है कि मैं पूरा दिन, फुल डे, द होल डे, आई एम सिटिंग बिहाइंड दिस सोफ़ा. मैं पूरा दिन आज इस सोफ़े के पीछे बैठी हूँ और कोई मुझे देख नहीं रहा है. फिर रुककर वो कहती है पूरा दिन नहीं, शायद तक 8 घंटे से मैं बैठी हूँ पर मुझे कोई नहीं देख रहा है. फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद वो कहती है कि 8 घंटा नहीं, पिछले 1 घंटे से मैं इस सोफ़े के पीछे बैठी हूँ पर मुझे कोई नहीं देख रहा है. मीन्स मुझे कोई नोटिस ही नहीं कर रहा है. फिर थोड़ी देर के बाद वो कहती है कि 1 घंटा नहीं, शायद तक तो 10 मिनट से, पूरा 10 मिनट मैं इस सोफ़े के पीछे बैठी हूँ और कोई मुझे देख भी नहीं रहा है. मीन्स कोई भी मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता है, कोई मुझे पूछ नहीं रहा है, कोई मुझे ढूंढ नहीं रहा है. ऐसे जस्ट वो स्मॉल गर्ल, वो छोटी लड़की हमसे कह रही है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड दिस होल पेज? ओके, now move to the next paragraph. So here the paragraph. Students, as you can see, by seeing this pic, you can understand that one girl is sitting behind this sofa and the girl looks very upset. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो एक सोफ़ा है और एक छोटी लड़की बैठी है और वो बहुत ही अपसेट है. अपसेट मीन्स उदास है, राइट? नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. दे आर all interested only in my sister. Even when she cries for no reason, they all rush to her, pick her up and give her whatever she wants. So students, in this paragraph, the small girl is saying to us that everyone in her family, everyone is just interested in her small sister. Whenever her sister cries for no reason, everyone just run and pick her up and whatever she wants, they all just give her. Like that, the small girl is saying to us. जैसे कि ये छोटी लड़की हमसे कह रही है कि मेरे परिवार में सारे लोग सिर्फ मेरी छोटी बहन से ही प्यार करते हैं, उन्हें सिर्फ छोटी बहन ही पसंद है, सब छोटी बहन में ही इंटरेस्टेड है, कोई मुझसे प्यार नहीं करता है। और जब भी वो रोती है, कोई रीज़न ही नहीं है, फिर भी वो रोती है, तो सारे लोग उसके पास भागकर जाते हैं और उसे उठा लेते हैं, और उसे जो भी कुछ चाहिए तो वो सारे लोग उसे जस्ट दे देते हैं। और मुझसे कोई प्यार नहीं करता है, मुझे कोई नोटिस नहीं करता है, ऐसे ये छोटी लड़की हमसे कह रही है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। I should really go away and live in some interesting places. I think I will become a hermit and wander in the mountains and forest. I will eat the fruit on trees and make friends with birds and animals. So students, this paragraph tells us that the small girl is saying, I should leave this house and I should go some other place, some interesting place. Myself, I'm going to leave this house and I'm going to some other place, some interesting place, where I think I will become a hermit. Students, hermit means a person who is just roaming here and there. It's called hermit. In a mountain and forest. So the small girl is saying that I'm going to leave the house and then afterward I will go into the forest, the mountain side. Just go over there. And I will eat fruits. The fruits which on the trees it is there, that fruits I am going to eat. And I will make friends with birds and animals. जैसे कि ये छोटी लड़की कह रही है कि मैं घर छोड़कर चली जाऊंगी और मैं कहीं तो जंगल में जाऊंगी, जहाँ पर पहाड़ है वहाँ पर मैं जाऊंगी। हर्मिट मीन्स यहाँ वहाँ घूमना, तो जस्ट मैं वहाँ पर जाकर घूमूंगी। फॉरेस्ट में जहाँ पर माउंटेन्स है वहाँ पर मैं चली जाऊंगी और मैं झाड़ में से फ्रूट्स निकाल कर खाऊंगी और वहाँ पर जाके मैं दोस्त भी बनाऊंगी। और दोस्त मैं किसे बनाऊंगी? दोस्त बर्ड्स को, एनिमल्स को, वो सारे मेरे दोस्त होंगे। जस्ट लाइक द स्मॉल गर्ल इज थिंकिंग, वो ऐसे जस्ट सोच रही है कि मैं ऐसे कहीं तो चली जाऊं घर छोड़कर। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। और आई कुड राइड अवे ऑन अ कैमल and live in a desert. At night, I will sleep in a tent. Or better still, I will travel to the North Pole and live in an igloo made up of ice. I will make friends with the polar bear. So students, this paragraph tells us that, as you know, the small girl has said that I am going to leave the house and I will travel to the hermit and wander in the mountain and forest. Then afterwards she is saying that I will ride on a camel and I am going to live in a desert. Means first she has thought that she is going to the mountain and forest, right? And then afterwards she is thinking, no, not mountain and forest. I think so I should go to the desert side and I should ride on a camel. And at night, the sleeping time, that time I am going to make a tent and in that I am going to sleep. Like that the small girl is thinking. Then afterward again she is saying, or better still, means or better than, I will travel to the North Pole side. Students, North Pole side means where there is a too much of cold. And she is going to live in an igloo that is made by ice. Igloo house, it is made by ice. And in that place, I am going to make a friend. It's a polar bear. Students, as you know, white bear is there. White bear, right? It's called as polar bear. That bear we can find in the igloo. In the North Pole side, where the igloo, which is made up of ice, right? In the North Pole side, we can find polar bear. So everyone understood till here? जैसे कि छोटी लड़की कह रही थी कि मैं माउंटेन में जाऊंगी, जंगलों में जाऊंगी, राइट? मैं यहाँ पर नहीं रहूँगी, मैं जंगल में जाऊंगी, पहाड़ पर जाऊंगी, ऐसे वो सोच रही थी. थोड़ी देर बाद वो कहती है, नहीं, मैं पहाड़ माउंटेन पे नहीं, मैं रेगिस्तान में जाऊंगी और मैं कैमल पे राइड करूंगी, मतलब कैमल की सवारी करूंगी और रात में मैं टेंट लगाकर सो जाऊंगी. फिर थोड़े देर बाद वो कहती है, नहीं, मैं सोचती हूँ कि मैं नॉर्थ पोल के साइड जाऊँ, जहाँ पर बहुत ठंडी होती है, और वो हाउस, इग्लू, वो आइस से बना होता है और वहाँ पर मैं दोस्त बनाऊंगी और वो दोस्त होगा मेरा पोलर बियर, मीन्स भालू, सफ़ेद भालू. पोलर बियर, वाइट बियर. Understood, students? Now students, move to the next page, page number 30. So students, the pic which is flash on your mobile phone is the page number 30. Now come to the very first paragraph. What's that? Something soft against my back? Oh, it's baby. What are you doing here, you silly? Go away. Don't smile at me. Why do you follow me? Is there nobody else in the house to look after you? Now, again the small girl is saying, means the small girl who is sitting behind the sofa, right student? That small girl. Again, she is saying that, what's that? Something soft against my back. Oh, it's a baby, means my small sister. Then the girl is saying to her small sister, baby, that, what are you doing here, you silly? Go from here. Don't look at me and don't smile at me. Like that, the small girl is saying to her sister, means the small baby. Then after some time, again, the girl is saying to her sister that, why you are following me? There's no one else at home who looks after you. जैसे कि ये छोटी लड़की कह रही है, अरे मेरे पीछे क्या है ये सॉफ्ट सॉफ्ट. जब वो पीछे पलटती है और देखती है कि उसकी छोटी बहन है, फिर वो अपनी छोटी बहन से कहती है कि तू यहाँ पर क्या कर रही है और मुझे देखकर ऐसे हंस मत. तू मुझे फॉलो क्यों कर रही है? कोई और घर पर नहीं है तुझे देखने के लिए? ऐसे सब वो चीज़ें अपनी छोटी बहन से कह रही है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. डोंट कम हियर. You may bump into something and I will get all the scolding. Why do you have to do everything that I do, copycat? So student, this paragraph tells us that the small girl is saying to her sister, means the small baby. He is saying to the small baby, don't come here. You will hurt somewhere and everyone will scold me. So why do you have to do everything that I do, copycat? जैसे कि वो छोटी लड़की अपनी बहन से कह रही है कि यहाँ पर क्यों आई है और अगर तुझे कहीं लग जाएगा, चोट लग जाएगा तो सारे लोग मुझे ही डांटेंगे. अगर मीन्स बाय चांस. अगर तुझे चोट लग जाएगा तो सारे लोग मुझे ही डांटेंगे। तू वो सब चीज़ क्यों करती है जैसे मैं करती हूँ? कॉपी कैट। लाइक दैट द गर्ल इज सेइंग टू हर स्मॉल सिस्टर। तो वो जो लड़की है वो अपनी छोटी बहन से कह रही है। सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ। ओह नेवर माइंड, रियली द पीपल इन दिस हाउस, they should look after her better. I am a grown up girl now. I can manage on my own. But what about this little baby? Come baby, let's crawl out from here. Now students, let's see what this paragraph tells us. Now here the small girl is saying to her small sister, means baby. She is saying to her small sister, a small baby, the people in this house should look after you. Now, myself, I am a grown-up girl, so I can manage everything by my own. But what about you, my small little baby? Come, let's move from here. जैसे कि वो छोटी लड़की अपनी बहन से कह रही है कि इस घर में सारे लोग तेरा ध्यान रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैं तो बड़ी हो चुकी हूँ और मैं अपने आप से हर चीज़ मैनेज कर सकती हूँ। अच्छा ठीक है, आजा छोटा सा बेबी मेरे पास, हम अभी यहाँ से चले जाते हैं। मूव आउट मीन्स वहाँ से उठकर चले जाना। Now student, the last paragraph. When I go away, I will take you with me, or you will keep crying for me all time, and they won't even guess what the matter is with you. I really can't go away when you are so small. Let's wait till you are a little older. Now student, the last paragraph. The girl is saying to the small sister, the girl is saying to the small baby, Dad, whenever I will go, I will take to you also. Otherwise, you will keep crying for me, and in this house, no one will understand what's the matter. No one will understand what's the matter means in the family, no one will understand or no one will guess what's the matter with you. So, whenever I will go, I will take to you also. But now I am not leaving you because you are too small now. Let's wait till you are a little older. Means now I am going to wait because now you are too small. When you grown up, then afterward I will go from here. Like that, the girl is saying to the small sister. The girl is saying to her small sister. जैसे कि वो लड़की अपनी बहन से कह रही है कि मैं जब भी जाऊंगी तुझे अपने साथ ले जाऊंगी, नहीं तो फिर तू रोते रहेगी और इस घर में, इस फैमिली में किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि तू क्यों रो रही है। इसीलिए जब भी मैं जाऊंगी तुझे अपने साथ ले जाऊंगी, पर मैं अभी नहीं जाऊंगी क्योंकि अभी तू बहुत छोटी है। इसीलिए मैं तुझे अभी छोड़कर नहीं जाऊंगी क्योंकि अभी मेरी बहन बहुत छोटी है। तो मैं थोड़ी देर रुक जाती हूँ। जब मेरी बहन, छोटी बहन बड़ी हो जाएगी फिर मैं चली जाऊंगी। So students, everyone understood the whole lesson. I hope everyone understood the whole lesson. So students, if you have any doubt regarding the explanation, you can call me or WhatsApp me on my personal number. Students, the homework is you have to go through the whole lesson. Go through the whole lesson means you have to read the whole lesson. So students, Thank you for watching the video.